And what I'll do is I'll just get stuck into it. So I've got a heap of coins around, we've got some ocean and stuff around. Animation is crap because I don't know anything about animation yet. I've just been trying to use the scripts that I've been supplied to get this working. So what I'll do is I'll select my player so that you can see this bit here. And I will drag this back up to be in there. And let's hit play. Oh, what I might do here is I might actually change this to console. That's on that one. Let's get in this. So as you can see, he moves back and forth and he jumps. Now we'll ignore the whole double jump thing at the moment. See, he doesn't move too slow, so I'm all right with that. You can see that there's nothing in the console at the moment. So we'll go here, bing, there we go, coin vanished. And you'll see down here, his XP has gone up. Okay, coins vanishing, XP going up. Whoop, whoop. So he's at 4 XP, he needs 10 to level up. So the thing is, at the moment, with a single jump, I know the chest's up there. Other people who play it would not know the chest's up there. But you can't, with a single jump, you can't get up there. I could, if I figured out to double jump properly, but I don't want the double jump. So now I haven't been able to figure out, I haven't spent too long working on the camera either, so I don't know, like, it'll clip inside stuff. But that's what happens because I'm only learning and this is the first thing I've ever made, so chill. Actually, I really enjoyed putting this together. I love mucking around with these assets and sort of building something. But I really didn't give myself as much time, but I am doing the 3 subjects at the moment, so it was like last couple of weeks have been pretty full on. Oh, look, see, there's a silver coin. You'll notice there, I've got 2 XP now. I've leveled up. I'm already at 2 XP. I've sped up a little bit. You'll see this one. I'll collect this one. Boom. Oh, that's why. There we go. There we go. Get back in there. We'll go all the way down. No wonder it wasn't telling us about stuff. I had it turned off. Hey, there you go. See, XP equals 4. Gain 2 XP. Oop, oop, missed a coin. I ended up having an issue at the start when I made this area here that I had a section you could accidentally get under. So I had to go and muck around with it. So now these are my 5 coins, so getting one of them should be like pop, next level. Now the only thing is the XP doesn't carry over, so once you see I'll level up, I'll be about 0 XP. But you can see my lockpick skills leveling up. I believe I've got my chest set to 8. Look, see, jumps a heap higher now. Now the only issue with our current mode of jumping is if you are moving in a downward angle or even an upward angle too fast, you will not be able to jump like this here. Ready? That didn't work. I was trying to hit the button then, but it just would not do anything. So I go this way, collect these ones. I want to show you how the jump is now. I showed you before how the jump was. Well, what we'll do is I don't want to level up too far. I'm at 4. I want to see if I can get on top without stairs. This is giant stairs. Of course they're big. Let's see if I can get on top without having to level up again. Oh. Oh. Sorry, this is my sneaky way up. Yeah, there we go. I got up. Walk around on my rooftop. My chest is down here. Okay. There's my big ass chest. So what I've set is the code for the multi-chest is actually not set on the chest itself, because the chest itself is made up of 2 props, a lid and the actual treasure. So what I did was I set the collider and the multi-coin script on the lid, so the lid vanishes. And I thought that was clever. Of course I thought that was clever. Okay, so let's go over there and see what happens when we go near it. Huh? There we go. I did it. Oh, there's my coins. But no, they didn't. They went into World Z. Because Object Z should be towards me. So they went into World Z. So there might be a way I can make it do it. Because what you'll see now is that a heap of my coins are probably in there. So yeah, they're in that building there. There might even be a few that are on top because of the height thing that I did. But that's alright. That's how you go around finding the chest and jumping around and opening the multi